Alright, this question has us replacing this door, matching your image up with this. You'll see the two vertical walls and the one horizontal wall with a door in it. And to do that, we have to change. We can click on the door itself, and then we go to architecture. We go to door, load family, and I'm going to back up. You don't have to do this. Alright, so you'll go into the door folder, and you'll go into commercial, and door, passage, single, flush, double, acting, and open. You have to choose the size, and we want a 42 by 80. Okay, and I have to go over here and select it. You don't have to do that. I do that because, whoops, I had already been in here playing around with it. Okay, so the door is selected, and then all I have to do is select the correct door, and the correct door will go into the opening. And let's see, for verification, what is the resultant area of the wall that the door is placed in? So we click on the wall. The resulting area is 390.96 square feet.